Hesitation. Lakers are hitting their threes early. Now 6 for 15. Hero drives, James right there. James trying to say that he didn't touch it. Ball looked like it hit the wire atop the backboard.
But I don't like these shots that Hero's taken. He's taken really difficult shots, and James did not hit it.
And Frank Vogel talking to him previously, it was tough decisions when to use the challenge, and he listens to his team and going to challenge this one.
Nope, he's going to win that challenge because James never touched the ball. We'll be right back with the result.
Basketball, Los Angeles is taking a timeout to review the play, challenge the play.
Los Angeles' head coach is challenging who should be awarded possession. The play is now under review.